Tea Around the World, Book 8, Tea in India and Morocco. This book describes the different types of tea, as well as unique tea traditions from India and Morocco. You will learn about the special processes of making and serving tea in Indian and Moroccan culture. You will also learn about the unique recipes of Indian tea and Moroccan tea. Author, Sarah Liu. Illustrator, Sarah Liu. Designer, Sarah Liu. Video editor, Casey Lowe. Narrator, Sarah Liu. India's Masala Chai. Masala chai, or chai, is India's national drink and is made by boiling black tea in milk and water with a mixture of spices and herbs. The beverage has gained widespread popularity all over the world because of its creamy, sweet yet spicy cinnamon flavor. Chai traditions. Even though many families have their own versions of the tea, the 5 basic components that are always present include water, tea leaves, milk, sugar, and ginger. A Western adaptation of chai, called chai latte, has a sweeter and lighter taste compared to the traditional Indian version. Because the traditional masala chai is a spiced tea, it is always brewed with a variety of spices such as cinnamon, star anise, fennel seeds, peppercorn, nutmeg, cloves, cardamom seeds, ginger root, cumin, rose, or vanilla flavoring, or even some chili. Masala chai health benefits. Aside from being delicious, masala chai also has many health benefits. Overall, because of the high content of spices, especially ginger, cinnamon, and cloves, chai tea has strong anti-inflammatory properties. The tea can also boost immunity, aid digestion, and naturally fight high cholesterol levels, which in turn can prevent cardiovascular disease. Black tea is the basic ingredient of masala chai, and it has powerful antioxidizing properties. Research has shown that the strong antioxidizing properties of masala chai can also prevent cancer. Morocco's Maghribi. Maghribi tea, or Tuareg mint tea, also known as Moroccan mint tea, is a refreshing mint tea and is the heart of Moroccan culture. Similar to Japan's tea ceremony, Morocco has its own Maghribi tea preparation and drinking rituals, which makes the tea unique to Morocco. Because of the simple mint flavor, the tea can be drunk at any time of the day with both sweet and savory foods. Traditional Maghribi tea. The recipe for Maghribi tea consists of a green tea base with additional mint leaves, which gives the tea a minty, refreshing taste. In Morocco, the mint tea is sometimes made with herbs, flowers, or orange blossom water. In the winter, warming herbs like pennyroyal mint or wormwood are added. Preparation of the mint tea, called atay, is usually done in front of guests, and the tea is served 3 times with each glass representing a different thing: life, love, and death. Maghribi mint tea is strongly linked to the act of hospitality and friendship, thus all 3 glasses have to be drunk. Health benefits of Maghribi tea. Of course, Moroccan Maghribi mint tea also has numerous health benefits. Because of the minty flavor, Maghribi tea contains anti-inflammatory and anti-spasmodic properties, which can help relieve a stuffy nose, allergies, infections, and colds. The tea also boosts your immune system, keeps your heart healthy, relieves digestion problems, helps control your weight, maintains good oral health, clears your skin of acne, and soothes your mind and nerves. The end.